guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an unboxing video, an Amazon unboxing video, and like seriously, I am super excited. I am so excited because finally I've been able to get something that I've really been looking for so long. It's a blender and I hope I'm going to love it. I'm going to do an unboxing, and later in another video it's going to be a full review of how the blender works. So make sure you subscribe right now. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please could you now please just click on the subscribe button. Yes, scroll and see, it's just down the video, it's just below the video. If you're using your phone, it's just below the video. Please hit the subscribe button. Also click on the bell icon by the side so that you will have a notification anytime I upload a video. Like seriously, I'm asking you to do this because I'm going to be sharing loads and loads of healthy recipes, loads and loads of healthy smoothie recipes, and so on and so forth, nutrition facts that you're going to love. And apart from that, let's just get down to business. Who is excited with me? Who likes to buy new things? This is my pack. It's a really huge carton, and it's a little bit heavy. That means the blender is, like, you know, on the heavier side. So let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, go. I'm also going to, I'll make sure I'll drop the link so you can check it out. If it's a good blender, go ahead. If you like it, or if you're like me and you've been looking for a blender, please go ahead and click on the link down below. You can see what I'm talking about. So you see, it's from Homgeek. Already I think it looks really good. So let's get down to opening it to see what's inside. This is it. I'm just going to open it. First of all, I love how, you know, it's neatly packed inside. Move that first. And then let's bring this out. Oh my god, it's really heavy. It's heavy. It's heavy. I love heavy blenders. Let me show you guys. Look at the beautiful picture here. You can actually make nut butter, soup, milkshake, and smoothie. Wow. So let's get down to business. It's also a high-speed blender. It's high speed. Don't you love this? Before I even open it, don't you love this? So I'm just going to go ahead to open it. I just want to show you guys all the details, like everything I'm doing. So I hope you are seeing this. I'm already very excited. Oh my god. First of all, this is the instruction manual. It's a really big one. And then right here is the warranty card. This is good. Right here is the warranty card. So if you also get this, please make sure you don't throw away the warranty card. This is really something very important. Make sure also that you keep your instruction manual very safe. Like, we have a place where we keep all our instruction manuals, so that if there is anything wrong with that equipment, you could go back to check, okay, what do I do when this is happening? What do I do when it's not blending? Because sometimes it doesn't really mean that the equipment is spoiled. You could just, you know, it could just be something you could fix by yourself. The next thing I have here is is the blender cup. What is it called? Blender cup, whatever you call it, I don't know. Like seriously, I'm not a blender expert, but guess what, guys, it's a really huge one. Ta-da! Oh my god, this is like nothing that like what I've had before. Let me show you. I hope you can really see this. It has a rubber ring around it, so this will make it close very well, or cover very well when you are blending, so there won't be any spill. At least this is what I'm hoping for. I'm hoping there won't be any spill. Okay, I'm not able to bring this out now, but I really want to. What's happening? And then it has this cover. I don't know how I can bring this out. I might need my husband's help with this. Oh, okay, then right now I see it. This is just something, you know, you just give it a twist and then it comes off. Oh wow. Okay, so let me try again. So it was closed very tightly before, and I was struggling, you know, like to pull it off like the blender I had before. But no, I just have to give it a twist until I hear a click, and then it's out. Oh no, this is beautiful. This is not beautiful. Oh, yeah. Guys, I think I've just gotten a new baby. I love it. I love it already. So let's see. Let me keep that. Let's see. I really like to get good stuff. So instead of me getting something I don't like, I just wait most times. And this is the cup. So this is a 2000 ml blender cup, and it's really huge. It's really huge. That means 2 liters, right? It's really huge, but it's not. It's plastic. It's plastic, not glass. And then, so let's just keep it. Let's just keep it. I don't know. So this is what the blades look like. I don't know if you can see it. So the former blender I had just 4 blades, but this has 1 2 3 4 5 6. Wow. 6 7 8. This has 8. And also it has this amazing, I don't know what this is called, but you guys know what this is used for. So when you have like fruits or frozen or whatever you're using, and you don't have to use your hand to press it down up. With my other blender, I'll get a spatula or something to press down, you know, what I'm blending. But now I have this to kind of, you know, push it down. Yay! So this, here comes the main hub. Here comes the main hub. It's heavy. When I say it's heavy, and I think I like it. It's heavy and I like it. Of course, I don't shift my blenders here and there or pack it somewhere else. It always sits at the countertop. So this is perfect. Oh my god. Oh my god. Well, this is it. Someone is climbing. If you're seeing anyone there, that's my husband. Don't worry. Don't worry. Now that I have everything out, let's just try to, you know, build the whole blender together and see what it looks like. Then in a different video, you are going to see exactly how it blends or how it works. Please subscribe to my channel. Click the subscribe button right now. Subscribe. I'll be doing more reviews. That's depending on when I get, you know, kitchen equipment to review. And then but most importantly, I'll be showing you my smoothie recipes and every other thing that, you know, I deem fit. So it's a blender that you just, you know, kind of put right there and it sits. You do not, it doesn't have to click on anything. I think it just sits. It just sits. It says caution, please do not operate without this cover in place. So it says do not operate without this cover in place. Do not put your hands into the jar when the blender is working. So of course everyone knows that, or at least everyone is supposed to know that they shouldn't do that. So let's just get this. Oh, this is really nice, guys. I don't know.